How to change Outlook password on phone. I'm going to tell you how to change your Outlook password on your phone. You can't change it directly from the Outlook app. Instead, open your browser and go to account.microsoft.com/security. Sign in, tap Password Security, and then choose Change My Password. Enter your current password, your new one, and save. Now go back to the Outlook app. If it doesn't prompt you to sign in again, go to Settings, tap your account, and just hit Reset Account so it asks for the new password. Quick reminder, more apps are actually now transitioning to this method where you can't change passwords on the app but only from the website. I believe this is being implemented due to security reasons.